Hello and welcome to our Mastering Pure Variance tutorial. Today we will have a closer look at the capabilities of the matrix view. For this video we will use one of the built-in examples available in Pure Variance. It will help us better visualize the subject. The matrix view in Pure Variance is a feature that provides a tabular representation of the relationships between features and their selections across different product variants. So it displays features as rows and variants as columns, allowing users to easily visualize and manage the variability within a product line. So now let's open the matrix view. We navigate to the variants, choose the variants that we want to visualize, and after right-clicking on the configuration space, we select Open in Matrix and click All Selected. And now we have all our variants visualized within the matrix. So you can use this view to easily compare different variant models and manually configure them if necessary. With such approachable overview, you can gain advantages in the matter of traceability, because with this feature you can easily see if one variant change forces another or creates conflicts between the variants. So, in the matrix view, we have access to a variety of tools that will help you organize your work with Pure Variance. For example, we can easily collapse and expand all the elements. We can also sort the visible variants number of model elements that are available. We can also change the whole selections in batches. So, for example, I can deselect all values inside of the temperature, and whenever it was possible, it was deselected. I will go back. You can also change visualization options, which will greatly help you minimize the amount of content that you work with. So we can, for example, delete from the layout attributes, constraints, elements, relations, or restrictions. So we can order the Pure Variance to show them all, or show none of them, or just choose the selected ones if we deem it necessary. So it's up to us how to use it. We can also access the filters tool. So while working with huge sets of variants, you also have access to this filtering tool, which allows you to find the features quickly. We have the default complex filtering tool, which allows plenty of different parameters. And on the other hand, we have predefined quick filters that help us navigate through the most commonly used filters that are available in Pure Variance. I hope you understand how to use Matrix View in Pure Variance now. Stay tuned for the next videos.